before 1960, here, if we take our experience, there were people within the ANC who began to have views about our struggle and the big thinking, etc. And they did not like certain things within the ANC, being members of the ANC. Khona babengayithandi. Ikakhulu babengathanda amakomanisi. Babengawafuna amakomanisi bethi amakomanisi kusho ukuthi ANC mayisebenza nabelungu izodayisizwe. Ngenhlanhla labantu engikhuluma nabo abayona umlalo bayakhona bayaphila. They felt we need to be on our own as African and fight and defeat these whites. Fanele sibashabe lungu sibaxoshe. Babizwa sasibabiza ngaphakathi ANC ukuthi they developed what was called an African-minded bloc. Abantu ababecabanga uAfrika nje kuphela omunye umuntu. Base beba iproblem embuthweni. Bathanda ukuba ngumsindo makuhlangenwe kanje. Bafuna ukudisrupt nje. Kwase ukuthi bayahlupha impela. Sabakhipha ke embuthweni. Ngoba base bengase idiscipline le yama volunteer ingasekho kahle. Kukhona nje ngo-1958 uma ngenza mistake uLthuli wayekhuluma emhlanganweni sebethathe isimo ukuthi uma ekhuluma bazosukuma bathi hayi wena ngalo uyabona nje wathi uyakhuluma uba ngumsindo uLthuli wayeka ispeech wabuza ukuthi ama volunteer wasekhona kwa-ANC ngingathi ngikhuluma ngiphazanyiswa umuntu waphuma engasahambi ngeenyawo lapha eminyango waphuma esendiza nje. But what was at the core of this were the ideas that were beginning to cause a problem to us. And indeed, finally, those comrades decided to form a different organization called the Pan-Afrcanist Congress. They were pure Africans and probably quite correctly. Kodwa kwazalwa iPAC,